Grow garden, guys. Grow garden, the ultimate guide. The ultimate guide. So when you join up, go to the shop. You immediately claim yourself the free seed, because when you do so, you get an apple tree. The apple tree. You immediately gotta put it down, and then you farm your carrots. Okay, you gotta collect all these growth. Like, look, you're collecting a lot of these things. You can even grow giant tomatoes in this game. Okay, can you believe it? Can you believe it? You can just dry giant tomatoes. But if you comment down below grow garden, you might as well just get yourself the super seed pack. Okay, super seed pack. I'll be gifting super seeds to you guys. One of these seeds is worth quite a bit of Robux, but you can get it for free by commenting down below grow garden. Okay, grow garden, just comment down below grow garden, and I'll be gifting to you guys a super seed, one super seed to every single person today. Let's actually go and sell my items. This is pretty much just like fish. I don't know why everybody is taking the fish UI and making it themselves. So right now you can buy all these things on stock. I would recommend you to buy everything that is fast growing. So just buy all the carrots, okay? Just buy it all. And then buy all the strawberries, because these are very fast growing. And then you buy everything, like bang, buy, and then you buy, and then you boom, 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 and then you go to the garden, and then you plant it all, okay? You grab your carrots, you plant them all, you plant all the carrots, okay? You plant them all. And then you grab your strawberries, plant, and then you get your blueberries, plant, and then you get tomato, plant, and then look, it's already grown, like boom, 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 bing, bing, bang, boom, boom, and then sell, and then you go sell, and then you sell it all, boom, and then you get profit. 320, and then you buy again. Whoa, oh my god, no way. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? What? I got free Robux. Guys, if you would like to have the super limited, like super seed pack, you can get one of these seeds right now by commenting the secret word that I just told you. And I just told you the best start, okay? This is the best way you can start playing the game. Everything that is fast growing, you plant it down immediately, okay? Immediately, because the apple will take forever. It's gonna take forever. So there's a little glitch. How you can actually fast grow everything at once, okay? Fast grow everything at once. You go to this part of the map right here. You go to this part of the map, and when you actually reach the edge of the map right over here, there will be a secret all growing grow button, okay? All growing grow button. And we are literally sitting on a giant piece of block. This is like the skyline. So you want to click on garden, boom, and then you want to walk over here, and then you walk over here, and then you see grow all for 375 Robux. So this is pretty much how you fast grow everything instantly by doing this little glitch. And you can also comment down below your usernames, and you can get yourself offline donations on Please Donate. So that's pretty much how you get the Robux to fast grow everything at once. If you guys like the video, subscribe,